Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I'm back with a different video. We have come shopping and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me and do our first ever come shop with me. I've never done one of these before, so not gonna lie, I don't really know what I'm doing or how you do it.
Told you, just do it on your phone, it's fine.
Yeah, Dan thinks I should record it on my phone, it's less awkward. Maybe I should do that. But we're at Home Bargains and we're gonna go to B&M too, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. It's gonna be more about the haul at the end of the video, what I get, but let's go shopping together.
Yeah, so if there's no footage in the shops, it's because
I caved in and ran away and crying, so basically. Yeah, let's go shopping. The three of us, let's all go. Do you know what, I've said to Dan for the longest time we need a first aid kit, so I'm going to be a proper adult and pick a first aid kit. These are the ones that we have these. I couldn't really taste much. I don't have coronavirus, they were just a bit, I don't know, not what I expected, but we've just found these. Sour cream and sweet chilli. Dan's favourite aisle. Guys, we haven't been to Home Bargains yet, and like, look at all this stuff. It's so loud in here. This is why I don't think I'm going to get much footage. I thought we bought a hose pipe the other day.
No, we didn't. It's like 34 quid in B&Q.
No.
$7.99.
Absolute bargain. This is my kind of buy. Oh, let's get kitchen. I don't think they have the kitchen roll I like though. I like the one from Tesco's. The one we, do you know the one we've got at the minute? It's like just stronger. Yeah. Sephora. Oh my god, look at the size of these! We don't have one of these for the shower. I feel like this is what...
I remember you said when we met that you were going to wipe the shower screen every time you had a shower.
That might not be true now. Cute, 79p. These are so handy. We bought a pack from IKEA and we've used them all already. Honestly, when I say we haven't been here yet, I don't know why, because it's so cheap. Like a family pack of jammies odd is 69p. Look at the basket. Oh, already. Oh, what a throwback. B&M. Oh, I feel like we're here a lot recently, but you know what's good? I bloody love it. This, I don't need any more of this, but it sounds nice, so we're gonna get it. Bargain. Okay, if we're talking chocolate, this is the best. Like, it is incredible. It's a little pricey, but it's good. I kind of like step away from food because they have a lot of food. So I'm going to hunt down the cleaning product. I'm not really vlogging me because I like masks. I feel like you can't hear me, but we're giving it a go. And these, and I thought they'd be good to organise the cupboards because like right now our snacks are all over the place. Two? Yeah.
Two?
Well, I feel like if you get one, you want another. Do you know what I mean? Should we get anything for the fridge or not? We never fill our fridge like ever. It never seems to be full. These are them just here. Those are £3 I've just picked up. But these are cool. These are like bigger ones. Oh, hang on. So the little one in size £1.50. And then the big one's £4. Oh look, they put peaches in there. I don't know, I feel like it makes the fridge look tidier, but like I say, we never fill our fridge anyway, so would it be pointless? I find this section of B&M really interesting. You just wouldn't expect it in B&M, do you know what I mean? Like, look at that. I don't even know what it is, but it just looks cool. Oh, it's like an incubator. The sale section of B&M, we didn't know it existed till the other week. I don't know if it's like new, or if it's all, like this clock is actually real nice. Fridge containers. Kid you not, this is exactly what we need.
I didn't want to float in one, but it's nice.
Why, what would have not floated one be?
Right, just have like brackets underneath.
No, like this is nice. This is exactly what I was thinking.
It's £6.
That's an absolute bargain. Or there's this one that's £4. No, I think we need the big one.
But didn't you say you wanted to replace the...
Oh yeah, and put a bigger print. I was thinking this for the spare room, but I also, part of me wants to just put one big print now instead of the 3 little ones. So maybe we should wait, but at least we know they do them. So I'm getting a new floor in my dressing room, and I've never noticed the floor in B&M, and it's real nice. Okay, I thought we could do a little bit of a haul together. What we picked up. I definitely think Home Bargains was the best out of the two. Me and Dan go to B&M quite a lot. so not much changes in B&M, but we haven't been to Home Bargains in like 2 years, like I did mention before. Why that is, I'm not sure. Wish we went sooner, because I personally thought it was better than B&M. Like, the price of everything was cheaper and we just picked up a lot more. So yeah, I'd give you guys a little haul. We'll start off with Home Bargains. So we have 2 bags here from Home Bargains. At the minute, we're trying to just stock the cupboards. If you guys are new to this channel, me and Dan, my boyfriend, moved into our first home a month ago now, so it's a little bit of a learning curve. We're currently just trying to stock the cupboards and make it really unhealthy, it seems to be. Not intentional. You'd never go shopping hungry. I'm starving, and that wasn't a good start. So we'll start off with Home Bargains. Hey, we found these sour cream and sweet chili kipper flavour Walker's crisps. Thought we'd give them a go. Sounds like a little bit of me and Dan. I have the Flash mop, so I actually ran out of this a while ago. I have found out just putting dilute Simsiflora and putting that on the floor actually works as well, but I thought while it's there I may as well pick it up. We do have wooden floors pretty much all downstairs apart from the office, so this is always really handy. To go with that, picked up these mops. Now it is good, the Flash mop, but it's one of them, it's just a cost to keep on top of. It's not like a Hoover that when you've got it, you've got it. Like, you have to buy these when you run out, you've got to buy this when you run out. So don't get me wrong, it is really good and I do recommend it, but just, I will just say, like, stuff like this can be a bit of a pain. It's not the fun stuff I like to buy, put it that way. I found some white chocolate Reese's. Me and Dan love our Reese's. Oh, this is for Dan. Dan wanted a hairbrush, he told me. And I picked up a air freshener for my car. Found these and absolutely blooming love them. Look at the colours on those, how nice. And they were, I can't remember how much they were. I don't even think they were £1. They were so cheap. And I did say it while we were in there, but these are so handy to have in your cupboard, just because like we see so much stuff like I can't even think off the top of my head, but like Doritos and things like that, and like a bag of peas. Like, these are just really handy to have. This is one of those things we've discovered that we need while living here. It's a little microwavable, well, I hope it's microwavable. Yeah, it's a little microwavable thing. Dan likes to have like beans and toast and spaghetti hoops and stuff for lunch, so they're just really handy to have. Dan really likes to also have these for lunch, so again, just to kind of stock the shelves. CG, it was one of those things when I was cleaning the bathroom the other day and I thought, could do with these for the screen, for the shower screen, and I have heard it's good to just keep on top of it every time you are in the shower, so I should probably start doing that. Will I? Let's be honest. Which I am intrigued to try these. These are the Flips peanut butter pretzels. Pens and a book. Dan is a, what's the word? An apprentice accountant, and does a lot of studying, so picked up those. Didn't know which ones to get, so I paid them and bought both. I found, like, after I've had lunch in the afternoon and I have a coffee, I always want something sweet to go with it, so I feel like breakfast bars was great to just top up everything, top up the cupboards. And I got the, I've had these before, these are incredible, I absolutely love them. If you're a fan of like hazelnuts and nuts, these are so good. And I also found these ones are like topped with hazelnut, but these are like the hard ones and these are the soft baked ones. Guys, found these Hacker Jammy Dodgers, these were like 69p. That's so cheap, so I just had to pick them up because they were so cheap. I'm so annoying, I'm just one of those people. And then I picked up some Nando's hot sauce. And I think the last thing from, oh no, last two things. First aid kit. You need ID for this, which we didn't know. Good job Dan had his on him, because there's a needle in it. But that's also a good thing to keep in the cupboard. And we, if you guys watch my videos, you'll know that we have a 3-tiered garden, and we've just recently brought a jet wash. But in order to use it, we needed a, whatever this is, an extension. Oh, it's just a hose pipe. Just a hose pipe. But Dan was amazed because, let's be honest, the quality is not going to be as good, but it was like, God knows how much more in B&Q the other week. Like, we're talking a lot more. So picked up that, and I feel like this was under £10. I feel like this was like £7 or £8, which is mental. So that was everything from Home Bargains. Absolutely just love it. Going from B&M, we don't have a bag from B&M, but I ended up buying 2 of these. I don't think these are going to be for the fridge whatsoever. I think these are definitely going to be for the cupboard, but I really like how they have handles on them so they can just slot out, and this is just going to be kind of for organising things like this, like the snacky bits, because currently we have it in a glass jar with a lid on it, and it's just a pain when you just like want a quick snack and you've got to take the lid off. It's small and it's all on top of each other, so it's easy to just have it, slot it out, and they're nice and big. Got those. Saw these are like 30 something p. Dairy Milk, Crispello's, chocolate. Guys, I know we just picked up so much junk food, it wasn't intentional. We honestly have so much cleaning products, and I just didn't want to overbuying the cleaning products. Like out under the stairs is like honestly full of cleaning products, so it would have been such a waste if I'd just gone and bought cleaning products. At least now, like when people come over, like I want to be that person where they're like, oh, I fancy something sweet, and I open my cupboard and I'm like, mate, what do you want? You know, this is gonna last us a while. So yeah, got 2 of these. Got some garlic and rosemary roasted, some seasoning for some roast potatoes. This, mentioned it in B&M, is the best chocolate ever. Absolutely love it. Saw this massive, like, ginormous Sephora, so picked it up. With this, I like to just put the plug in the sink, put it in the sink with boiling hot water, and just leave it for a little bit. It just makes the kitchen and the bathroom smell really nice, so I thought that would be good. I've not, oh, it's a limited edition one. This is Violet and Mimosa. It's gotta be Mimosa. I've never heard of that in my life, but looks like it smells nice. We've just popped an order in for our blinds, and we're having shutters. Well, we haven't ordered the shutters, but we've got the normal kind of slat blinds all upstairs and in the dining room too. So I had blinds in my bedroom at home, and boy, they get dusty so quickly, so I picked up a duster for them. That was $1.99. And then interesting, like I didn't realise how much there was to B&M. Me and Dan don't normally walk all the way around it, and there was a whole like Dulux section, and I have now decided I'm going to paint my dressing room some form of grey. So I picked up this colour and this colour, just some little testers, and I can pop those on the walls and see what they look like. Some mayonnaise, me and Dan seem to get through the mayo. And then I think the last thing we have is this comfort. I didn't even smell it. Let's smell. Oh my god, that smells incredible. Wow, and it's pink. I'm gonna be honest, I just like the look of the bottle more than anything. I get through this so quickly. Can you guys comment and please tell me you relate? You might not, but I'm hoping someone out there can relate to me, because like when I say use it quickly, like a little bit too quick, like we're talking real quick. So this is 33 washes, and I reckon I'll get about 7, 8 washes out of it. Wish I was joking, but I'm not. But yeah, that is everything. Did you guys like this kind of video? Because like we can do it more places, or I can do like an in-depth food shop one. I'm just really trying to go down like the home lifestyle kind of route with the channel, so I really hope you guys did enjoy this. Smash a thumbs up if you did, and comment as well. I always love seeing your guys' comments. So yeah, but thank you so much for watching, especially if you are still sat here now with me rambling. I appreciate it, but I'll see you all very soon for another video. Goodbye.